O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. See, we completed the revision of all the 3 chapters, but we have to complete the practice questions, page number 19 in the workbook. So please take a workbook, all of you. Please take a workbook. Please take a workbook, page number 19. I will share the screen. The same page you can see on the screen also. Page number 19. Practice questions, page number 19 in the workbook, part 1. And we completed up to question number 10 and we have to start question number 11. All of you got the same page. Shall we start?
Yes.
Yes. So question number 11. Atna Sunil, can you read question number 11? Question
Yes.
number 11. Please read question number 11, my dear.
Number
11.
7.
Oh.
Which number
Oh.
is before 19?
Which number is before 19? What's the answer? Before 19, which number?
80.
Good girl. So please write the answer 18. Write the answer 18. It's already written there. Near the question, it is already written there. 18. Question number 11. Answer. Before 19, we have the number 18. Aaron, please read question number 12. Question number 12.
Yes, ma'am. Which
Which number comes
number comes
before
before
before 17? See, others, please be quiet. Before 17 and after 15.
Ma'am, can I go to bathroom?
Yeah, yes. Before 17 and after 15, which is a number?
60.
Aaron, tell me the answer. Before 17, which is a number? 16. See, before 17, we have the number 16. Before 17, we have 16. Which number comes before 17 and after 15? So after 15 it is 16, or before 17 also we can say the same number 16. So the answer is 16. Darshak, please read question number 13. Question number 13.
Which number
Louder.
is largest?
Which number is larger? 39 or 30? Which number is larger?
39.
39. So please write the answer 39. Now, shall we move to 14? Question number 14. Ayan Jijo, please unmute and read. Ayan Jijo, please unmute and read question number 14.
Write the number before and after 64.
Write the number before and after 64. Okay. So we can write the number 64. Now you have to tell me before and after. Before 64 we have
63.
63. After 64 we have
65.
65. It's written there. So please complete the answer. Now, shall we move to question number 15? Rahat Fatima, please read question number 15.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 15. A-R-E. R,
Are
the numbers.
the number
Ah,
74
Ah.
and 7 tens 3 ones equal.
See, are the numbers 74. One number is 74. Okay. Other number 7 tens and 3 ones. 7 tens and 3 ones. What's the number? See, tens
73.
place is 7. Ones place it is 3. So what's the number?
73.
73. And what's the question? Are the numbers 74 and 7 tens and 3 ones equal? See, this 74 and 73 both are equal. Rahat Fatima?
No.
No. So what's the answer? N. Oh, no. See, one number is 74, other number is 73. See, both are different. Okay. Both are different. They are not equal. So the answer is N. O. No. Now we can move to question number 16. Wait, brother, please unmute. Read question number 16.
Compare
Compare 49 and 47. Okay. 49, 47. Which is a number, bigger number? Which is a bigger number?
49.
49. So towards a bigger number, the mouth should be open. So how we will read this? How we will read this? What is the symbol used here?
Greater than.
Very good. So we can see 49 is greater than 47. 49 is greater than 47. That's the answer. So shall we move to next one? Question number 17.
Yes.
Yes. Now question number 17. Rasha, please read question number 17. Rasha, please read question number 17. Rasha, please read question number 17. O-R-D-E-R. Order.
Order
The numbers. Now which are the numbers?
31,
31,
37,
37, and
and 39.
39. In which is the order given? Ascending order. Okay. 31, 37, and 39 in ascending order. What is this ascending order? Ascending order means writing the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. So out of this 31, 37, and 39, which is the smallest one, Rasha? Which is smallest?
47.
Smallest. Others, please be quiet.
30.
We have 31, 37, 39. Which is smallest?
31.
31. Then we have, which is the next number? We have 37 and 39. Which is smaller?
37.
Very good, 37. And the last number we have?
39.
39. So all of you write the answer. 31, 37, 39. 18 you can leave. Okay, 18 you can leave. That's not that he given 3 one-digit numbers that you no need to do. 18 and 20 you can leave. Now we have question number 19. Question number 19. Darsh Krishna, please read question number 19.
Ma'am.
Please read question number 19, my dear.
4 2-digit.
No, that is 18 only. 18. See, that you can leave. Actually, we have to form 2-digit numbers, but it is given 3 one-digit numbers. So it will make a confusion. That's why. So that you can leave. You can read question number 19. Please read question number 19.
Which the number
No.
87, 81, 89
Not 89, it is 39.
in this descending order?
Descending order. Write the numbers 87, 81, 39 in descending order. What is descending order? Writing the numbers from biggest to smallest. So which is the bigger number here? We have 87, 81, 39, which is bigger, biggest. 87. Then we have 81, 39, which is bigger, 81. And the last number it is 39. So all of you please write the answer. 87, 81, 39.
I have complete.
Okay, good. Now those who have completed, please take page number 11.
Number 18.
Page number 11. You can take a page number 11. Those who have completed, please take a page number 11. All of you have completed. Shall we move to page number 11?
Yes.
Yes. So, no. Okay, please complete it. Please complete it.
I have completed.
Okay, good. Those who have completed, please take page number 11. Page number 11.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
and I have completed.
Okay, you have completed. Okay, good. So please take a page number 11. Okay, it's related to patterns. It's related to patterns. Okay, so we have the first one. Okay, first one. What is the basic shape in the pattern form? What is the pattern you can see here? What is the pattern you can see here? Richard, you can see squares, no? You can see squares, yellow color squares. So basic shape means that you will study in second standard actually. Basic shape means the repeated part of a pattern, we call it as basic shape. Okay, in patterns we can see some parts is repeating. Okay, that repeated part we call it as basic shape. So here in the first question you can see square, yellow square is repeating. Square is the shape, no? So the answer is you can draw square. So all of you please draw square. Please draw square. Square is repeating. Basic shape means what? The repeated part. Okay, repeated part of a pattern, we call it as basic shape of that pattern. Now we have to move to second one. Okay, question number 2. Here also we can see what is a basic shape in the following pattern. Here which one is repeating what we call that shape? Arrow. Arrow is repeating. So we can draw arrow. How we'll draw the arrow? Please draw the arrow, all of you. Please draw the arrow. These all are out of box. It's second side portion only. But we can do it very simple only. So shall we move to the next one? Third one, 3.
Yes, ma'am.
And 3 here we have. Can we make a pattern with any shape? Yes or no? Can we make any pattern with any shape? Tirtha? Can we make a pattern using any shape? Yes or no? We can use a square, we can use this rectangle, we can use a circle, or we can use pictures, we can use numbers, we can use any shape. So what's the answer? Is it no or yes?
Yes.
Yes. So all of you please write the answer yes. We can make a pattern with any shape. So please write the answer yes. And the next one, actually it is a coloring one. If you have the colors with you, you can do it. Otherwise you can do later. Okay. And what's the question? Color the shapes to form a pattern. You can give any color. I am giving alternate black and red. You can give any 2 color, any 1 color. If you want to give only 1 color, you can give only 1 color. If you want to give 2 colors or alternate, you can give 2 colors. It's your choice. Okay. It's your choice. I am giving red and black. If you have the colors now, we can do now. Otherwise, you can do after the class. No problem. It's not compulsory now. You can do later, no problem.
പ്രിയ കുട്ടികളെ നമസ്കാരം. മുൻ ക്ലാസ്സിലെ നമ്മൾ കൾച്ചർ ആൻഡ് നാഷണലിസം സംസ്കാരങ്ങൾ സാമൂഹ്യ പരിഷ്കരണം ഇന്ത്യൻ ദേശീയതയും തമ്മിലുള്ള ബന്ധത്തെ സോഷ്യൽ മൂവ്മെന്റ് ആൻഡ് ഗ്രോത്ത് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ആൻഡ്.
Will you do later? Shall we move to next one? Will you do later? Shall we move to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So please listen here. Question number 5.
ma'am, no.
See, you can do later, no problem. You can do later. After the class also, you have enough time. No, you can do later. Is it okay? So shall we move to the question number 5?
Yes.
Okay, now you please listen. Find the next shape in the given picture. We have to find the next shape. Okay, look at the shape. See? Then again the shape, same shape. The first one is repeating. Okay, and third one it's just opposite. Fourth one, the same third one is repeating. Then the first one. So what will come next? What will come next? See, the first 2 shapes are same, no? First 2 shapes are same. Then we can see just opposite of the first. two shapes. Then the next one, the first one, it is repeating. So the same shape will come again. Are you answered properly?
I have completed. Ma'am, I have
Abel is
completed.
present. Yes, my dear.
I have completed.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay. Now we can move to the next one. The same page you can see after the question, after the solving of question paper, you can see the same paper. Now, please listen. Question number 6. What is the next shape in the given pattern? Here you can see six-sided figure. See, here you can see six-sided figure. See, this we call it as hexagon. One, the same line you can draw like this. Okay. Then third side, fourth side, fifth side, sixth side. So 6 sides are there. 6 sides. This we call it as hexagon. Hexagon. Okay. So first one you can see a sleeping one. Next one you can see a standing one. Again sleeping. Again standing. Sleeping. So what will come next? Standing hexagon or sleeping hexagon?
Standing.
Standing. So please draw. You can draw 2 lines equal length. Okay. 2 standing lines. Then 2 slant lines. Is there Abel today? Abel is present? Absent. Rayan Jobi. Rayan Jobi. Is there Rayan Jobi today? No. Rida Mariam. Rida Mariam is present today. Rida Mariam. Absent.
No.
Sebastian. Is there Sebastian today? No. Vedic Vinod.
Ma'am, I is present.
Okay. Vedic Vinod. And then what about Taman? Taman also present? Taman is there today? No, I didn't see. So we can move to the next one, 7th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we can move to question number 7. What will come next in the pattern? It's a word pattern. What will come next in the pattern? Here we have circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. So which word will come next?
Circle.
Circle. So all of you please write CIRCLE, circle. Circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. CIRCLE, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Then we have question number 8. Shall we move to question number 8? Which is the next word in the given pattern? Which is the next word in the given pattern? And here we have triangle, square, star. Triangle, square, dash. What will come next?
Star.
Very good. It will come star. S-T-A-R. Star. Triangle, square, star. Triangle, square, star.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good, good. Okay, good. So we can move to question number 9. Yes.
ma'am.
Complete the number pattern by writing the next term. Okay, it's a number pattern. Complete the number pattern by writing the next term. Hisam, please read it. What's the pattern given? Read the number pattern, Hisam.
So, complete
Complete
the
the
given
number
pattern
pattern by WRITING. Writing
writing
THE. The NEXT. The next. TERM. Term. Next term. It's the next number you have to write. What is the number pattern given here? 2,
4
4. After 4, it's the number
5
eh?
6 7
2, 4, 6. So what will come next? After 6, which number will come?
8
8. Very good. 2, 4, 6, 8. So all of you write the answer 8 there.
2 4 6 8 10
2, 4, 6, 8. Arnav, please read the next one. Question number 10.
Okay, ma'am. COMPE.
Eh? COMPLE.
PLE.
TE.
TE.
Complete.
Complete the given pattern.
Read the number pattern.
3 to 32.
Ah.
42.
Ah.
52.
So what will come next? Very good.
62.
Yes, it will come 62. 2 to 22, 32, 42, 52. So the next number will come 62. Now those who didn't do that coloring, you can do it. We have 2-3 minutes more, so please complete it.
Ma'am, I complete. Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed.
It's okay. Please be quiet. Those who have completed, it's okay. Good.
I have
Okay.
completed.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good. So we completed the chapters, we completed the workbook also, practice questions also. Okay, and we have class on Thursday and Friday. There we will write the questions. Means that is a revision for the written test. Okay, written test will be there, no 20 marks. So we will revise once again on Thursday and Friday.
It is link. It is link, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
It is link.
Yes.
It is link, ma'am.
Is he on?
It is link.
Pardon me?
It is link.
No, not link. It is written test that we will conduct in the during the class time itself. Yes, Sai Krishna.
Ma'am, is this link?
No, not link. Not today, my dear. See, Thursday and Friday also we have class. So Thursday and Friday during the class itself we will revise for written test. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
thank you for joining. The same page I will forward in the group also. Okay. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.